Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Wallpaper Engine lagging. Now the first thing I want you to do is open up the Wallpaper Engine app, and then I want you to come here to the top navigation bar and click on Settings. Once you click on Settings, a pop-up appears and the first tab should be Performance. I want you to click on Performance, and then I want you to scroll down, and under the Quality section you should see different options. Now if you're set really high, that slows down your PC and also makes your Wallpaper Engine lag. The same thing with other settings like post-processing. If you set it to ultra, that will also cause lag. So I suggest you bring FPS down to between 15 and 30. Post-processing, just bring it down to only enabled, or you can disable it as well. And you can also change things like texture resolution, shadows, and even turn off reflection. You can go for these preset settings as well, and that will also adjust it accordingly. You can just click on OK to save your changes, and you are done. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Really helps me out as well.